Hi, I'm Craig Cameron-Macintosh, the director of Billy Monk Shot in the Dark. This documentary uncovers the hidden world of Cape Town's docks in the late 1960s as captured by Billy Monk's camera lens and sharp eye. Billy Monk's photographic archive is an important document of this hidden slice of Cape Town and South Africa's history. And it's a refreshing take on the type of imagery we're used to seeing coming from South Africa during that period. But aside from his amazing photographs, Billy Monk's own story was both tragic and fascinating and makes for a very interesting story. Thank you to all my viewers in Australia for watching, and if you'd like to know more about Billy Monk or the story, please stick around online to watch the Q&A afterwards or visit billymonk.com to learn more. Thank you.